Hey guys, today's question comes from Pam. Pam asks, hey Chris, when other places do my hair, it never seems to last as long as when you do it. Why is that? Thanks, Pam. It could be a couple different things, but I want to show you one thing that we do very differently, and you can put this in practice at home as well. Most stylists point the blow dryer at the brush, but what happens is whatever shape the hair dries in is the shape it's going to keep. So on the brush, the hair is overlapped, entangled, and messy, and you're just locking that in when you point the blow dryer at it. So you basically have to hope to use tension to pull all the kinks out at the end. But there's a much better way to do that. What you want to do is dry hair that's already nice, straight, and smooth. The best way to do that is to point the nozzle at the hair that just came off the brush. The brush already straightened it out, it already detangled it. You put the blow dryer on there and you'll lock in that nice, straight, sleek, smooth shape. That's going to last much longer than if you dried the hair while it was tangled around the brush. So the next time you do your hair, try that out. Or if you don't feel like doing it yourself, you can click below, book online, and we'll do it for you.